How to add a voiceover to a video in Canva. Now, adding a voiceover to a video on Canva is actually quite a simple process, but many of you might not be familiar with this. For this, on the left hand side, you can set different options. Just go to Uploads. From Uploads, you can go to the option that says Audio. Now over here you can choose to upload an audio file, which is a voiceover file, or you can add and record your voiceover right from here by clicking the option that says record yourself. Simply allow the Canva website to use your microphone, and once done you can simply record your voiceover, and once you record your voiceover you can exit the studio and add that particular voiceover to your video. So this way you can add a voiceover to your video in Canva. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.